Hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here are 10 ways to improve learning. 1. Set clear goals. Setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART, goals helps focus your learning efforts and track progress. 2. Create a learning schedule. Develop a routine or schedule for learning, allocating dedicated time for studying, reviewing, and practicing new skills. 3. Use active learning techniques. Engage with the material by using active learning techniques such as summarizing, self-quizzing, and elaboration. 4. Practice active recall. Test your understanding by actively recalling information through flashcards, practice quizzes, or summarizing notes. 5. Use spaced repetition. Review material at increasingly longer intervals to help solidify it in your long-term memory. 6. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is essential for memory consolidation and learning. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. 7. Stay organized. Keep all your learning materials, including notes, readings, and schedules, organized and easily accessible. 8. Seek feedback and reflection. Regularly seek feedback from instructors, peers, or self-reflection to identify areas for improvement and adjust your learning strategy. 9. Use multisensory learning. Use multiple senses, sight, sound, touch, taste, smell, to learn new information, such as watching videos, listening to podcasts, or taking notes by hand. 10. Stay motivated. Find ways to stay motivated, such as setting rewards, finding a study buddy, or celebrating small victories along the way. By incorporating these strategies into your learning routine, you can improve your ability to learn and retain new information. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Like, share, subscribe, and stay connected for our next video.